Real excitement and anticipation here. A cup final about to be decided. Who will hold the trophy aloft? It's Milan. They take on Inter next on EA TV. And a warm welcome on what is an ideal night for football, you've got to say. I'm Derek Ray, commentary position, and alongside me is the former Arsenal and West Ham midfield player Stuart Robson. And a potentially exciting occasion on the cup front. It's Milan up against Inter.
Well, the first piece of silverware of the season. Both teams desperate to claim it. With the quality on display, I think we should have a really good game here.
This is the Milan starting 11. Theo Hernandez starts with Davide Calabria in the fullback positions. And the idea is to have just the one striker up there trying to pose problems for the opposition. And a look at the Inter team. Jan Sommer is the goalkeeper. Francesco Acerbi plays alongside Benjamin Pavard in central defence. And the story in attack is one of a strike partnership. And the match is underway. Benassa. It's a promising Milan move, but timely defending when it mattered. Useful looking ball. Barella. Arnautovic. A goal! Inter take the lead in the derby. A real job to the home fans.
As the replay shows us, Barella's pass is imperfect, but there's still plenty to do from here. He hits it so well though. Lots of pace, lots of power, and the keeper just can't react in time. It's a great strike.
Milan get the ball moving to find a response to that. Augusto. It's a good Inter move in the making. Arnautovic! Oh, commanding goalkeeping. Davide Calabria. Promising sequence. Options in the centre. Fernandes. Oh, surely. And it's in! All square again. What a match this is turning out to be.
Well, here it is again, and it's really poor defending. They just don't show enough urgency to get tight or make a block, which is why the ball's ended up in the back of their net.
So back underway. One goal apiece here. Martinez. Carlos Augusto. And that's an important intervention. This attack looks highly promising. Guerra. Hernandez. That's well blocked. Fratesi. The ball with Martinez. Carlos Augusto. Barella. Not what he was intending. Bad pass. It certainly wasn't a clean tackle, and the referee has got to book him, I think. And he does produce the yellow card.
Yeah, and it certainly deserved a yellow. It's a poor challenge, you have to say.
Inter struggling to keep the ball. Arnautovic. Serge Gnabry. The ball with Martinez. Oh, a nice looking pass. Well, the attack fizzled out. Martinez. Good effort here. Well, the shot more than decent. It had power, just couldn't find the target. Getting in there to intercept. Çalhanoğlu. Gnabry. And he'd be disappointed if he didn't take that one cleanly. Guerra. A super tackle and they've won possession. Martinez. Barella. Benassa. Tomori. I must say this looks promising, but quick thinking defensively. He's protecting it well. Martinez. Perfectly positioned to take it away. Martinez. Martinez! And foiled by the post. And problem solved for now. Milan showing good width. And he cuts in from the wing. Wonderful chance! And the keeper there to deal with it. Playing it in. Not really the ideal clearance. Not the easiest of situations for the keeper. And the whistle is sounded for half-time in this game. And so the second half gets underway. Almost a case of the two teams saying to each other, whatever you can do, I can do just as well. And teammates around him. Throw in for Milan. Oh, he's given it away. Barella must take the lead here. Well, offside by the merest of margins. Well, Bayern have been very active in the transfer market and they've made a big move personnel-wise. Stuart, good news for their supporters.
Well, the reported fee of about £40 million is just about right. I think both clubs will feel they've done well out of this one, but only time will tell.
Well, being pressed here. And he takes it away. Bruno Fernandes. This looks more than decent. Oh, could be. Oh, what an astonishing goal! One for the archives. Remember where you were when it happened. Unforgettable.
Well, here's the replay, and I can't believe what I'm seeing. That's a great piece of skill to beat his man, and a tidy finish as well. This will be shown for years to come, that's for sure.
Underway again with Milan in charge. And the challenge halts them in their tracks. Well, excitement from Serie A should be guaranteed. Our next live game on EA TV. It's Milan against Bologna. And he has options available. This could square the game, but the keeper has his say. And how important could that be in the grand scheme of things?
Well, that was a big chance, and really, he should have taken that. But let's give credit to the goalkeeper. It's a decent save.
Milan moving the ball forward. What can they do from here? Being egged on by the crowd. Element of risk there, but he's won the ball. Now can they counter clinically? Martinez. Barella. Arnautovic! Still could be dangerous. But no, it's not going to be an opportunity because the flag is up. Now they're going to alter things. Here's the substitution. A game that will certainly hold the interest of many in Serie A. Live coming up on EA TV. It's Inter versus Genoa.
Well, the fixtures are coming thick and fast. It should be a good game, that. Hopefully, I've not just given it the commentator's curse.
In with a chance. Still possibilities. And the verdict of the officials is offside.
Well, he just gets caught ball watching here. Needs to be more alive, work harder to keep onside, and be ready for the chance.
Davide Fratesi. Gnabry with it. Fratesi. And Inter might be able to cash in here. Well, didn't go to plan in the end. Oh, he's through here. And a goal! Real excitement here. The equaliser.
Just look at how poor the defending is here, but I have to say, it's still a very tidy finish. He looked really assured there.
So back underway, the game having been squared at 2-2. Benassa. Using all his defensive acumen to cut it out. Counter-attacking, very much an option. Barella. Happy to take on the shot. Well, the keeper had a lot of ground to cover. Splendid save. They decided that now is the time to go to the bench. Short corner taken. Cross could be useful. Oh, but claimed by the goalkeeper. Now we're inside the final 10 minutes in this one. Ryan Gravenberch. Milan still on the attack and the game's waning moments. Still level. It comes to nothing in the end. Martinez. Well, the conditions look pretty good for the counter-attack. A really sumptuous ball. Defended well. Çalhanoğlu. High quality defending. He's got the right idea with that pass. And a goal! How important could that be? A dramatic turn of events.
Well, here's the replay. What a great pass this is from Barella. And the finish is just as good. That's an excellent goal.
Well, after losing a goal, the onus is on Milan to respond in an attacking way. And a throw for Inter. Çalhanoğlu. And Inter could get in behind the defence. Martinez! Excellent save.
Well, you're absolutely right. It's a top quality save, but they're running out of time here.
Who's going to get on the end of it? Well, no end product. Behind for another corner. Can they cash in? Not really the ideal clearance. Pavard. And full time. The issue is settled. It's one to put on their honours list.
Well, Derek, they'll be pleased with this. They deserved their win today. They were certainly the better team. It was a good performance.
First piece of silverware, and that is never to be sniffed at, as the players applaud the fans who've been backing them today.
Well, they came here to win it, and that's exactly what they've done. And it's another trophy.
Now for the trophy lift. And I've spoken to a number of hardened pros down the years about this, Stuart. They've all said, don't take this for granted. Savour these moments.
Well, you're absolutely right, Derek. This is a lovely moment for everybody at the club, fans included. They've certainly played their part, as you mentioned.
And now the players posing for the images that will be sent around the world.
And they'll certainly enjoy these moments. And then it's back to business straight away. But well played to them. They deserved it today.
Really looking forward to this contest. And it's Milan who get things started. Barella. Arnautovic. A goal! Inter take the lead in the derby. A real jolt to the home fan. Fernandes. And it's in! All square again. What a match this is turning out to be. And he does produce the yellow card. Martinez. Good effort here. Well, the shot more than decent. It had power, just couldn't find the target. And he cuts in from the wing. Wonderful chance. And the keeper there to deal with it. Bruno Fernandes. This looks more than decent. Oh, could be. Oh, what an astonishing goal! One for the archives. Remember where you were. And a goal! Real excitement here. The equaliser. Happy to take on the shot. Well, the keeper had a lot of ground to cover. Splendid save. High quality defending. Excellent save.
Well, you're absolutely right. It's a top quality save, but they're running out of time here.